Hi guys, okay, so I want to try something new. This is iron-on, color changing with sunlight. One is purple, one is blue. And I don't know which one is which, so I don't know which one I'm going to use. I have the feeling this one is blue, and I have the feeling this one is purple, but yeah, maybe I'm totally off. I do know they work. I tested them out right away, but I never tested them out on a t-shirt or any kind of fabric. So we will try it out together. I have no idea what kind of settings I have to use. They are from AliExpress, so I will put the link in my YouTube description box. So yeah, let's get started. Let's hope it works out. By the way, I have the feeling this one is blue. I don't know, it gives me a bit the cooler tone. But maybe that's just... No, this one really gives me a blue vibe. So I don't know, I'm going with this one. I'm guessing it's the same as regular iron, just mirror your design and put the shiny parts down. Okay, so here I'm going to weed everything and I'm putting it down with some tape. And normal foils are easier to weed. These are pretty loose on the shiny parts. So it's kind of like you put some hard plastic on some hard plastic, so they will move around and shove around. It's not actually sticking to the harder side of the plastic, the see-through plastic. So the small pieces like the pearls and stuff, they were not going to stick. But if you're going to remove them, like I'm removing the stars from the wheel, it is much easier. So removing small parts is pretty easy with this foil. Keeping them, yeah, it's not going to stay. That's just not going to work. As you can see, only certain parts were staying, only the really bigger round pieces, but not the small ones. It's a shame because it was a pretty design. But I'm still going to keep them, because to me it looks like it's leaving a bit of stardust. So as you can see here, it's really loose on there, and especially with small parts. With the big parts like the wheel itself, you won't notice it. It's fine, but with the small parts you will, and it's going to be a struggle. So would I recommend this kind of foil? Yes, but not for small pieces. You need to make like a big numbers or pictures or anything but small pieces. Here I'm putting the wheel on my shirt. I'm using a tank top. And as you can see, I love it. I love the little sparkly stuff because it looks like stardust. I'm using a medium heat setting and just pressing it like really normal iron-on. So nothing special, nothing with glitter and everything. But normally I won't remove the foil right away. And with this one I really had to wait until it was completely cooled down. Otherwise it will stretch and it will ruin your design. Okay, let's test it out. Is it blue? Is it blue? It looks blue. Yes, it's blue. I don't know why I already have dog hair on my shirts, but it is freaking blue. We have a blue wheel. So yeah, I'm happy. It works. It was the same amount of work with the regular. With regular iron. So I'm happy. And thank you for watching.